Hi guys, today I want to show you a comparison of our Maple Custom magazine 10 round capacity 22 and the factory Notos magazine 7 round capacity 22. So the pellet we're going to use is GSB match exact. So it's a pretty soft pellet, so it gets easily damaged in those magazines. You can see they're all round, all brand new right now. So let's see what happens when they go through the gun and the magazine. Four pellets. So you can see the skirt, it's damaged. You can see a pretty bad scuff mark here, and it's not round anymore. So it's gonna somewhat affect the accuracy, right? Same for this one. Same here. It's not round anymore. This one is slightly better. You can still see a scuff mark here. Alright, let's see what happens with our custom magazine. It's also 4 rounds. I loaded the last 4 rounds to give it the most spring tension. Four pellets. So this one, it's all round, pretty much brand new. This one, still round. This one as well. It's all round. This one too. It's pretty much perfect. Alright, thanks for watching.